Good day, Eagle Nation, and welcome to 2026. I'm your host, Owen House, bringing you the news, views, and stories around Glen Oak High School.
And I'm Noah Keithan, and this is the last produced episode about the Fall Eagle class. We hope you have a safe and productive new year.
And with the new year comes a new CTE program. We're calling it Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing. Check out this fun promo commercial from seniors Drayden Chapman and Brandon Holliger.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, fire up your engines and rev up for your future!
That's right. It's time for Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing Showdown.
Bow! Coming straight from Glen Oak High School, it's the class that's built to perform and engineered for excitement.
Buckle up and get ready to roll, Mr. Walbeck, your pit crew chief and instructor for GET 121 Engineering Drawing, a college credit plus course that'll have you designing, drafting, and dominating the world of engineering.
And that's just the starting line. Once you're geared up and ready, you'll go down the track to Stark State College, where the spring of your junior year, you'll be taking machine tools, a class where you'll be cutting, shaping, and making sparks fly as you turn raw metals into precision parts.
Then your senior year goes full throttle with CAD, CAM, CNC machines, both taught by Stark State, where you'll program, design, and control the machines that make the modern world run.
If you're looking for speed, skill, and a career field that's always in high gear, then it's time for you to sign up for Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing.
Boom, 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 boom! Don't miss your chance. See Mr. Welbeck in room M108 for more information and join the team that's building the future. Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing, where brains meet high-tech machinery!
Glad they had some fun with the ad. It looks like it's shaping up a real good, solid program.
In addition to our career tech theme this week, we also take a look at 3 other programs and the students engaged in them, including light and sound, nursing, and animation and graphic design.
Roll the clip.
In the 8th grade, I was in the drama program and I really enjoyed the tech aspect behind it. I didn't really like the acting part, and so I got more interested into the tech aspect, and when I came to the high school, I found out this was a career tech, and it's been great ever since.
What motivated me was the exposure I had to the hospital when I was younger. Seeing the doctors and nurses take care of my family members really did it for me.
I just wanted to make cool things, and Miss Patterson was probably the biggest influence for me.
Definitely teamwork and problem solving. There's a problem with literally everything. You have to figure it out before showtime, and it does teach you great time management skills, because you need to have your lights done by a certain time, you need to have things working by a certain time.
What skills have I learned? We visit college nursing students, shadow nurses, gain skills like CPR and first aid. Phlebotomy is also one. Patient care technician is the big one. We also do EKG technician, stop the bleed.
Creativity and making things like shirts, buttons, pins, and magnets.
My older sister became a nurse, and my mom is a CT tech, so I just felt like the really big passion that they felt to go into the healthcare.
The number 1 is Miss Patterson, and number 2 is probably last year's class and my friends Max Kinsley and Logan Heiner.
It will definitely give you an advantage after graduation, because you can go into the field for it and you will already have the knowledge that you need for most of the things you already do. And you can be already ahead with, if you do go into that field, you'll be already ahead. Like if you go to Cleveland State, you can already be ahead in their program there, and you can just start working on shows. You don't really need to learn it. You can just start working.
It'll give you an advantage after graduation with college, of course, and also just creativity in general.
I think it puts you 1 or 2 steps ahead, especially having 2 years under your belt when you go into college if you do decide that nursing is what you want to do. With all the skills and all the knowledge that you gain from this program, it really puts you forward a few steps.
And finally, it is time for your Glen Oak High School announcements.
Attention track and field athletes. Any athlete that is not in a winter sport and is planning to learn track and field this spring, indoor track conditioning starts on Monday, January 12th. You can pick up an indoor practice calendar outside of room D108.
Attention students, we will be recognizing any student who earns all A's, B's, and C's on their report card again at the end of the second grading period with a special treat during your lunch period. Lock in Glen Oak and continue working hard to meet your academic goals. Go Eagles!
Reminder for all students, academic letter community service hours are due by April 1st. You must submit at least 30 hours on Google Form to begin the eligibility process for your academic letter. Once you have submitted your hours, we will review your attendance, goals, and discipline records to determine your final eligibility. You can access academic letter information in Student Square links. See Miss Allison Pickering in the main office with any questions.
And that is all we have for you this new year on Eagle TV. And until next time, keep soaring, Eagle Nation.